So guys, if are you using any WordPress website, simple I tell you that. I forget one password. Suppose your admin password you forget. Or else are you are changing for password. I'm telling for two procedure. Suppose you forget the admin password for WordPress in this. So just I'm open for here. I'm just click this option. Here, when you log in for your password will be open. Suppose I'm entering for one more wrong password. What is showing will be here. Wrong will be showing the password. When entering the correct password, they log in for correct password option. After login that, how we can changing for your WordPress password? In this purpose, we have to use option will be users, and we can creating for a number of option. We can changing for password will be here. Just will be click for edit option. We can changing for password will be here. So now I'll show you here in this. What are your admin login, username, nickname, display name, everything will be here, and every will be option will be in this particular things are there. So in this here, log out everywhere else, generate the new password here. This is the new option for changing for password. If you add new profile username, you can add by the new person also. That is option will be called create the another user, that is called add new user option. That is called username, email, first name, last name, website, password, everything will be given in the particular option. So if you already log in, if you want to change the password, option will be user will be there. Suppose you totally forget the admin password, how we can change it? That is for we have to go for the your particular website hosting plan. Are you using cPanel or Preskpanel? Which hosting are you using? We can go to the particular plan. Just I'm logging here, my control panel or Plesk panel. This hosting for my particular Plesk panel option will be here. In this website, I'm hosting for my WordPress website. Select it. In the WordPress website, after this option, you have to change the password. The option will be go to where? For the database. Which one? Database. In the database, select option will be PHP MyAdmin. PHP MyAdmin. Here, password we can't visible anyone. There will be encrypt procedure. The click option will be WP-users. WP-users. In this option, the password total will be encrypt procedure. Now click for edit. Here change your password. Click for encrypt option. You have to click for encrypt option. Right now I'm not changing any password here. If you want to change the password using for control and cPanel. So I don't have any other options are there. So I don't have a control panel. Definitely we have to go for your forget password on the particular option. So without cPanel, without admin, we can't do. So that is called, we have recovery email is there. That email we can use on the particular recovery email purpose. When you click recovery email and change your password. And recovery email purpose, we can change your email address will be in the cPanel is there. Where PHP my admin, what are the email you have to suggest to change? You can suggest will be here in the particular user option. In this, we have to change it for your user email also will be there. You can change email and update the particular option. This will be particular user we have to activate for the changing password purpose. Without cPanel, without admin, without email, we can't change the password. Password will be changing for with the WordPress login, go to admin panel, or where we can hosting, we can go to database, change your password also. This procedure we can follow, change your password and the WordPress dashboard login. Is it clear? So these are the parameters we have to use and change your WordPress login passwords. We can create n number of logins, no limit permission. In the every login will be given particular administration, everything will be here and the particular. The role will be important. Subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. Administrator will be give the complete rights. They give the based on the option, the right will be decrease the position 100%, 80%, 50%, 40 or 30 like that. They give the particular option will be give for the role. You can give to the number of users to log in for dashboard purpose. Why we can create the number of user will be create. Each member creating post and uploading for the WordPress website purpose. So they will easily find out the user posting this content. We can find out based on the login option. So this is the way we have to changing password for WordPress logins.